the most advanced, spacious and eco-efficient airliner in service today. It can carry 525 passengers in a comfortable three-class band over distances of up to 8,000 miles. That's around about 1,500 kilometres. That's with less noise, less fuel consumption, and hence less emissions. One neat little fact is it uses less than 3 litres of fuel per passenger over 100 kilometres. The 300 engine, which is a triple shaft engine, certified thrust of 80,000 pounds of thrust. And a couple of interesting facts and figures from Rolls-Royce. It would take just 2 seconds for a Trent 900 to inflate a hot air balloon. Or, a Trent 900 can inflate 72,000 party balloons in 1 second. Isn't that an incredible sight? This huge airliner majestically flying past. Total control usually by the fly-by-wire systems of Airbus.
Shit.
The A380 was conceived to respond to the growing traffic demand, as I said, between world cities. During its flight test campaign, a series of world tours organised by Airbus, the A380 had widely demonstrated how easily it fits into airports. It's already landed in the 4 to 70 airports around the world, showing its full airport compatibility. We talked about these engines. This particular 380 is being from Rolls-Royce. Engine pilots who've flown the 380 say that it flies like any other fly-by-wire airliner, just like the rest of the fleet of Airbus. And here she comes in to land. What a wow!
Thrust-to-weight ratio, which allows the Typhoon to fly almost vertically into the sky above us, as you saw on the takeoff there. These engines should have about 30% more growth potential within the thrust at slow speed, presenting a high angle of attack, just utilising the unique fly-by-wire prototype control system. As Charlie just makes to us updating now, it's going to again emphasise the sheer amount of power that the Eurojet EJ200 engines have as it clicks the burners in flight control pilots. So all the pilot has to do is just select what he wants, and the aircraft's computers on the engines will dictate what is available.
back to a power roll, I think, if I remember, if I'm not getting mistaken, by another display. Well, this other week we tend to.